What's up, everyone? Today I will teach you guys how to do setting menu. So this is basically the setup. We have a background, some container, a music slider with the low -80, the high 0, the brightness here, and the prefab toggle, the port processing. So basically you can look up how to do all this by this video here, freedom coding. So yeah, and something about the CSS, like basically this CSS. So example, you want to hover this when we click. Let me find first where the fuck it is. Okay, here. Basically we override the CSS in here. How we do that? Well, we put the setting button class to this element, and basically I just increase the sign. No, not this. Where is this? So basically when I hover, I change the image theme and increase the size, increase the scale. No, okay, forgot to do that. Increase the scale like 1.1, yeah, here. So basically when it do is see, increase the scale. Some people they do this inside this, increase the scale here, and is inline CSS. This override this, so we cannot increase the scale here anymore. So basically we just unset this, and then we work to normal, like inline CSS is greater than external CSS. So yeah, now the important stuff is the 3 settings I got done here. So we can turn off the music, turn on the brightness, and turn on or off the post processing. Not the latest coding, latest feature, but it will work, I think. So basically this is the code. Use the audio system, scene management, reference, the variable button, this don't destroy not. Basically we will have a post processing to whole to scene. It will not be destroyed when we load a new scene to this. Basically a prefab instance, yeah. And we assign the variable to the element in the UI builder, basically the ID, basically like CSS ID, yes. And yes, in the music slider we use a callback function. Whenever the slider is changed, this will be called, and we send the new value, volume value, to the audio mixer. everything else basically the same, like callback function here, on click event, basically all of this on click event I learned from this guy. Okay, this is just an improvement for the setting menu. So finally, for the music, basically you have to create a music, but remember to use the create an audio mixer here, audio mixer here, main mixer, yeah, and you have to expose a parameter. Yeah. Basically you just click here, there's supposed to be an button here like expose parameter. I already do it, so it become an expose, but they're basically here expose parameter, and basically you just get your music in, put your music in, put it in the right bus. This is the master bus. This will be controlling the volume here. So yes, basically this all of this here. Where is it? Here, the volume. See, volume. And basically after you do that, you just kind of assign the main mixer in here the prefab. Remember to create a prefab for post processing and like 2D. The 2D line I use the universal render pipeline, like you see here, universal render pipeline. So basically we just increase or decrease the intensity here. Basically here didn't increase in this view here, if you can see here. Let me show you. See, can increase, decrease, increase, decrease. Basically the same with music. Decrease, increase. The post processing just turn on and off. Yes, the basic menu. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time, I guess.